Hi, welcome to my channel and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today I bring a topic about American company says it will stop shipping products to Quebec over new language law. US-based Otterbox say move is temporary until it can comply with Bill 696 Otterbox. The phone accessory manufacturer said that consumer can still buy its product from retailers like Staples, Amazon, and the Apple Store. Quebecers wanting to buy products like iPhone cases from Otterbox are going to have to find another way besides ordering directly from the company's website. In the message at the top of Otterbox homepage, the Colorado-based accessory manufacturer says that due to the French language requirements of Bill 96, we have temporarily suspended shipments to Quebec, Canada. When users click on link for more information, they are taken to a page where the company explains that the move is because Bill 96, which became law on June 1st, requires French language support across all sales and marketing touch points. And then the next is it adds that it's working to comply with the new law so it can resume shipment as soon as possible and that consumer can still buy its product from retailers like Staples, Amazon, and the Apple stores, as well as through mobile phone providers like Rogers and Telus. Kiana Noonan, a spokesperson for other products, said the company's Canadian also legal counsel and recommended that all shipments from the website to Quebec consumers to be suspended while the new legislation is assessed. We are working hard to implement solutions that would allow us to resume shipping directly to consumer in Quebec. Again, Noonan said in an email, in the meantime, we recommend to consumer find Otterbox products at Quebec-based retailers. US-based Otterbox has stopped shipments to Quebec because of the province's new language law, or CBC. Law opens window for consumer to sue companies. Bill 696, officially titled An Act Respecting French. The title and common language of the Quebec amends several pieces of provincial legislation, including the Charter of French Language, Bill 101, and affirms that the only official language of Quebec is French. The CAQ government introduced it to beef up protection for French, and it affects many aspects of life in the province, including healthcare, education, and immigration, also business. It was adopted by the National Assembly in May, and the provision about retailers serving and also serving customers in French came into effect June 1st under Bill 101. Retailers doing business in Quebec, including those operating online, had to provide websites in French, but consumers who felt their language rights were infringed upon were limited it to making a complaint to the Office Québécois de langue francophone. Under Bill 96, however, a consumer can directly take company to court to get injunction or potentially sue for damages if they feel their language rights are being violated. Quebec businesses ramped up opposition to Bill 696 ahead of provincial election. Companies hedging against legal risk, and also it's really that innovation, if you will, that is causing a lot of companies to reevaluate the risk of doing business in Quebec, said Alexandre Fallon, a partner at the corporate law firm Osler, Hoskin and Harcourt. Fallon says revamping a firm operation to be complete, which includes developing an equivalent French version of their e-commerce site and providing French in language customer, which is support. It's just not worth it for some companies. Unfortunately, Quebec is not the biggest market in the world, so the cost of developing a French language solution across the entirety of their operation that suit quite an expensive proposition, he said. Fallon says a consumer can sue in Quebec even if the company does not have an establishment in the province, but noted that any judgment also handed down by a Quebec court would have to be recognized in the defendant as jurisdiction to be enforced. He said while that would likely to be worth it for a single consumer, it could be more possible if a class action lawsuit is brought against a company. Under Bill 96, consumer can directly take a company to court to get an injunction or potentially sue for damages if they feel their language rights are being violated. Sylvain Roy, Russell CPC, potential opportunity for Quebec companies. Phil Kirponneau, president of HUPFI agency, which works with companies to build or expand their e-commerce operation, says his Quebec-based clients have not been that affected by Bill 96, and the biggest issue is for those outside the province that want to enter the market. You will never need for sure to translate your website, but also to offer a full quality customer service in the French as well, which is not always easy, especially for smaller firms, he said. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.